TFL. I always think of drinking a latte when I think of that muscle. Nolan will show you where it is and what it does.
So the TFL is one of those 3 muscles that we were talking about regarding the muscles that control the IT band. The TFL is the one that's most in front. So you feel that bump in your hip, right in the front, that little hip point. It connects down right into the IT band, and it's the front muscle that controls the IT band. And a lot of times this muscle is super tight when those 3 muscles are imbalanced. And instead of rolling out the IT band, we should probably work on that TFL.
Yeah, so let me show you some of my favorite things to do. Kind of favorites, they're quite uncomfortable. I love using TFR ball and finding that spot, like Nolan said, the bony part right here, put the ball right next to it, lay down on the floor and just marinate in discomfort. How long, Nolan?
30 to 60 seconds is typically what we do to get that release. So you just want to hold it on there. I know it's uncomfortable. It's kind of sexy as an olive cup.
But it really helps when you have a cute dog around.
Yes.
Something that everyone has, right? But also, if you love your foam roller, you can modify what you did before. You don't need to roll out the entire IT band. It really doesn't do all that much. You have to tackle that muscle, so you can lay down on the muscle TFL and first roll, find it, and hang out. This will give you a lot of relief if this is the source of pain. There are two other muscles that we'll talk about in our follow-up videos.
Yep, we'll talk about the glute medius or gluteus medius, or the gluteus maximus as well.
Stay tuned. Thank you.